Have you ever tried to launch a new application only to discover that essential ports are already in use? This common hurdle can disrupt your workflow and compromise your server's functionality. In the realm of CloudPanel, managing ports like 80, 443, and 3306 is critical for maintaining seamless operations and ensuring your applications run without a hitch. Ports 80 and 443 are fundamental for web traffic. Port 80 handles HTTP requests, allowing users to access your website, while port 443 manages HTTPS requests, ensuring secure data transmission. Port 3306, on the other hand, is designated for MySQL database connections, which are crucial for data-driven applications. When these ports are already in use by other systems or services, it can lead to conflicts that impede your server's performance and the accessibility of your applications. In CloudPanel, addressing these port conflicts requires a strategic approach. First, it's essential to identify which services are occupying these ports. Use command line tools or CloudPanel's built-in monitoring features to track active connections and determine the source of the conflict. Once identified, you can decide whether to reconfigure the existing services to use different ports or allocate new ports for your applications. Reconfiguring services involves editing the configuration files of the conflicting applications. For example, if another service is using port 80, you might change it to a higher, unused port number. Similarly, adjusting the settings for ports 443 and 3306 ensures that your web traffic and database connections remain uninterrupted and secure. CloudPanel makes this process more manageable with its user-friendly interface, allowing you to modify port settings without extensive technical expertise. Another effective solution is to implement port forwarding or use a reverse proxy. Port forwarding directs incoming traffic from one port to another, effectively bypassing the conflict. A reverse proxy can manage multiple ports and distribute traffic efficiently, ensuring that each service receives the appropriate requests without interference. These techniques not only resolve port conflicts but also enhance your server's security and performance. Practical steps to prevent port conflicts in CloudPanel include regularly auditing your server's port usage, keeping your software and services updated, and implementing robust firewall rules. By proactively managing your ports, you can avoid unexpected disruptions and maintain a stable, secure server environment. Additionally, leveraging CloudPanel's automation features can streamline port management, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring consistent performance. Navigating port conflicts in CloudPanel doesn't have to be daunting. With the right tools and strategies, you can effectively manage ports 80, 443, and 3306, ensuring your applications run smoothly and securely. Have you encountered port conflicts in CloudPanel, and how did you resolve them? Share your experiences and solutions in the comments below.